Based on the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, ayan na, PPST, hindi po ito nawawala sa ating LEC. In which career category would teachers who manifest professional independence in the application of skills vital to the teaching and learning process fall? Would this be letter A, beginning teachers, letter B, proficient teachers, letter C, highly proficient teachers, or letter D, distinguished teachers? What is our choice? This would be letter B, proficient teachers indeed, ang ating tumpak na choice. So you remember, under your Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, meron po tayong 4 na career stages. No? So you remember our mnemonic, B, PhD. Kapag sinabi mo pong beginning teacher, sometimes this is called your novice teachers. So novice teachers, they have gained qualifications. They possess the requisite, but they still need mentors. Kailangan po nila yung mga mentors. Career stage number 2 as proficient teachers, now they independently display the skills vital to the teaching and learning process. And then your highly proficient teachers, ito po meron ng consistent display of high level of performance. Now, ito po yung ating mga mentors. Distinguished teachers, ito na yung ating highest standard for teaching. Exceptional leaders.